Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead. Today's job lead is going to be from the huge retailer Target. They are hiring seasonal positions. We talked about this as we go into the holiday season. Companies are ramping up their seasonal positions for extra help during the holiday season. The links, if you're interested in putting that application in, is always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy this job lead or any job leads that I share, give me direct feedback by giving my videos a thumbs up like button. Of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from these, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, Target is hiring a seasonal home-based senior specialist guest retail. This is going to be a customer service position. They are paying $18 an hour, and again, it is a seasonal position. However, they are only hiring in a few states at the moment. Those are Minnesota, Wisconsin, Texas, South Dakota, or Arizona. So they're mainly hiring in the Central Standard Time Zone, but Arizona is in Mountain Time Zone. If you're in one of those states and interested, they are looking to do interviews and hire by having you start by Monday, October 9th. They have different shifts available. Everything is laid out here, but they're looking for somebody to provide that Target branded experience to every guest, interacting with them by listening to them and using your critical thinking skills to advocate for the guest. You're going to help them across multiple media channels. This is going to be phone calls, emails, social media, and chat. So you're going to do a little bit of all of that. You'll help find creative solutions to make things right for the guest, adapting to the business needs of Target, and of course, documenting all your interactions into the system. So you'll be learning the new technology and solving problems, interacting across different teams within Target, making sure that the guest issue is resolved in a timely manner. Now, as far as what they're looking for, outside of living in one of their accepted states, you do need a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree. Somebody who can work that flexible schedule, including nights, weekends, and holidays. This is a seasonal position for the holiday season. They want somebody who has 1 to 2 years of customer service experience and somebody who has great communication skills and great tech skills. You can use a computer. Now, one thing about the computer, you need to have internet in your house that you can hardwire or plug a cable directly into your computer. Wi-Fi will not be accepted. However, Target is going to issue the computer equipment, so you don't need your own computer. They're going to provide all of that for you. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.